be with you today. It is an exciting day to witness this special occasion celebrating a very important part of history. I attended this school starting in the first grade in 1955. I remember all of my teachers' names all the way through high school.
I did not attend this school, but my mother did. At that time, she saw what they called it. It was the Jonesboro Colored High School. And she walked 3 miles every day to this school and 3 miles back home.
I think about all of the different things that teachers had to do. They had to do used textbooks. They had to be in one-room classrooms. But in spite of all of those things, our children learned, they thrived, they succeeded. And we're looking at success, and today we recognize that success.
The restoration of the Rosenwald School will offer our community a chance to reflect on education, how education has evolved, by comparing past and present school experiences. Many former students are still a part of Clayton County, giving residents a unique opportunity to connect with and learn directly from them. Just think about the community leaders who walked those halls and volunteered to teach in our Rosenwald School. They educated the African American students who went on to become leaders in our community. And now this museum will continue to change lives, educate, inspire, and provide spaces for social interaction and reflection.
Out of the over 5,000 Rosenwald schools that was erected between 1914 and 1932, there are less than 100 that are recognizable, and we have the great fortune of having one right here in our community. The true credit goes to the people who don the halls of this Rosenwald School, Arnold, Fountain, and the historic schools that were significant for our African American population of community members. This is for you.
Right up under that clock tower is my office. And I get the beautiful vantage point of looking at this school every day. On days that I'm tired, confused, scared, I look over here. And it's a reminder of what people went through. As you heard somebody walk 3 miles. I barely walk 3 miles in a week, yet alone twice a day. So it's so encouraging. Maya Angelou once said, in so many ways, segregation shaped us, but education liberated us. You would think such an ugly word as segregation would have so many generations of ugliness, but it hasn't. There's so much beauty in the education in these walls behind us.
Just being here in the presence of greatness, to recognize the resilience of our people, to be here in a community, again, as our mayor so eloquently stated, collectively, inclusively, and together. My heart is full. It takes me back to know how far we have come as a people, but it also charges me as I sit on the Board of Education. I get to serve in this time and in this season to make a difference, to change the lives, the trajectory of 51,000 children and their families, to ensure that we're not just remembering our history, but we are going further with ensuring that our children have a high quality education.
I want folks to know that in Clayton County, y'all, we don't erase our history.
Amen.